We must go on. I don't know, maybe it had to be more scientific. So today is April 15th, 2020, and we're just looking how Corona is going here. It's like a saying that I think it really turns into how many people you have it that you don't know, because really it's going to stop when people, you have around 60% of the people already had it, then you're going to see it sort of stop. And then one of the problems is after like a year and a half or so, you can get it again potentially, and think it again mutate. So let's take a look at the world. This is the world case number, and you can see there is a diminishment in the number here, but this is maybe because the world's becoming better at kind of like going home, right? They're so this isn't really saying that it's ending. I mean, it's true that when it is ending, you would expect to see this go almost flat. And I'd be amazed to see that in really any country. But that was the world. Let's take Spain here. So Spain is definitely seeing something going on here at the end. That's encouraging. Let's see another one, Italy. Italy, yeah, you can see the same sort of thing happening there. U.S. I don't think the U.S. is still experiencing. Yeah, the U.S. is pretty wild. I mean, there's been a diminishment, but it's almost straight up. And Canada, Canada has what can I say? I don't think Canada has isolated to such a point that it starts to go away, although you can get it again. But I think what's happening is they're just kind of slowly, it's coming in slowly. I guess that's great for hospitals, but it's just advancing very slowly, and Canada's kept it kind of happening really slowly. Another thing is China's numbers are kind of strange, and in a way this could just be the result, a legitimate result of them just not testing a lot of people, so that you get smaller numbers. So this is potentially what you'd expect to see if the problem was mostly dealt with. But I'm just wondering if these are fudged, or if China's actually a solved problem. So it's one or the other. Yeah, so I'm coming along with some of these scenes here for my next thing. And let's see. And I guess the idea is to make a cold sort of metropolis thing. And so I guess you wind up with, I guess you call them brutalist sort of scenes. Whoa. But in a way I'm not getting enough light here. Back to this view. So I have to add another building here. I'm not going to go crazy making like an entire city just to make a point. But here's something around the idea of the final thing I want to put in there. So it'll be something to that kind of effect.